Mechanical decontamination is one of the most important steps in your decontamination wash before you go to polish a car. Traditionally, you would use an actual clay bar or a piece of clay like the one we sell from Kosh Chemie. We here at Obsessed Garage really enjoy the Nanoskin clay pad products. Now, these are a little bit different than a traditional clay bar, so we wanted to make a video going over how to use it as well as some best practices and tips. So we're going to take it outside and show you exactly how we use them. As far as using it, it's pretty similar to a traditional clay bar. Basically, all you're going to want to do is do your traditional wash first, or your decon wash, and then we're going to lube the surface of the paint up. Right here I have McKee's N914 in a bottle. This is diluted 1 to 128, so it's a slightly more aggressive dilution ratio. Now, when it comes to lubricant with your clay bar, you can never have enough. There's never too much of it. We're going to spray the pad a little bit, and then we will work it over the surface. Putting light pressure, just enough to keep it on the surface, but I'm not pushing into it. And we're going to move in motions back and forth. Once you can run your hand over the paint and it feels like it's totally smooth, you don't feel any little bumps or bits, you know that you're done. Another thing to mention about clay mitts or clay in general is that you'll only want to do this when you absolutely have to. This isn't something you'll want to incorporate into regular decon washes, as it does mar up the surface of the paint slightly. Hopefully now you have a better understanding of what a clay pad or even a clay mitt is. I would still recommend having a traditional clay bar in your detailing arsenal for stubborn paint, but this is definitely an invaluable tool to have. You can get the Nanoskin products, Press-All bottles, McKee's, any of the other chemicals you need on our website at obsessedgarage.com. And if you have any questions, let us know in the comments or directly at support@obsessedgarage.com.